Hi Year 7. Today we're starting a new topic called Working Mathematically, and in this topic what we're going to do is we're going to use our problem solving skills in order to solve some problems. So the first topic that we're going to talk about is direct computation. In your lifetime you will meet thousands of real problems waiting to be solved. What is the quickest way from Blacktown to Dural? How can I rearrange my working day so I can attend a meeting at Ryde? How can I build a billy cart? How should I arrange the dinner party? We can see life as an exciting adventure or as a burden. We each have our own ways of solving problems, and in this chapter we will examine some exciting and challenging strategies to help us solve unusual problems. We have steps for solving problems, and they are: step 1, read the question carefully. 2, decide what you are asked to find. 3, look for information that might be helpful. 4, decide on the method you will choose. 5, set out your solution clearly using solution sentences. 6, make sure that your answer makes sense. So we always try to show clearly how you've solved a problem so that others can understand and investigate what you have done. If you look here, we have some setting out and a method of how we should set out our work, and in this case it's just set up into a table. So we have to find and use our method of showing our method of what we've done to find our answer, and then we write our solution, and we always write our conclusion sentence. So we always write our answer in words, so we always must write a conclusion sentence, and we have our working out space if needed, so if we need to do any addition or subtraction and we're not using a calculator. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at some examples and how to solve these examples. So Ashley was told that she would be given $15 pocket money each week if she was helpful around her house. She decided to bank $2.75 each week and do her best to help around the house. How much would she expect to have banked in 9 weeks? So let's look through the question. She would be given $15 pocket money each week if she was helpful around the house. She decided to bank $2.75 each week, and we want to find how much she would expect to bank in 9 weeks. So how much she expected to bank in 9 weeks. So I've just unpacked the question there by highlighting certain key points, and I encourage you to do the same. So now we need to consider using our 6 steps of problem solving. We need to consider the problem. So what are we asked to find? And what we have asked to find is what Ashley would expect to bank in 9 weeks, which we've highlighted in purple. We need to work out what information is given, what is needed. So what is given is the pocket money is $15, which we highlighted in green, and that she banks $2.75 each week, which we highlight in blue. And the information that is needed is that she banks $2.75 per week. So that's our blue information, is our needed information. Now we need to consider what method should we use. So we multiply the amount banked weekly by the number of weeks. So how we work out the amount banked is we go, the number of weeks is 9 multiplied by how much she's banking each week, which is $2.75. And now we need to work out how we can calculate this. So we're going to use our working out space over here, and we are going to go $2.75 multiplied by 9. Or we can use our calculator, but we're going to, in this case, show you how to do it by working it out without a calculator. So what we do is we go 9 times 5, which is 45. So we do our 5 here, our 4 above our 7. We go 9 times 7, which is 63. And so then we write, but we add our 4. So we get 67. So we put our 7 here and our 6 up here. And then we go 9 times 2, which is 18, but we have to add our 6. So we get 24. So our answer that we've worked out over here is that in 9 weeks, Ashley banks $24.75. Okay, and it's important to also write our answer here to show our working. So that's example 1. Example 2, George purchased a table for $132 and a vintage radio for $86. After spending $26.50 on repairs, he sold the 2 items to a customer for $349.95. How much profit did he make altogether on the 2 items? So what we have to do here is consider the problem. What were we asked to find? And we're asked to find the profit. How much profit did he make altogether on the two items is what we're asked to find. So then we need to work out what information is given. So the information given is the cost of items and the repairs and the selling price. So we say that he purchased a table for $132 and a vintage radio for $86. He spent $26.50 on repairs, and then he sold the two items for $395.85. We then need to work out what method we should use. And so first we need to find the total cost for the items. So how much it cost him to have the items, then subtract this from the selling price of the items. And so the solution sentences that we should use is the total cost equals the cost of the first thing plus the cost of the second thing plus the repairs. So let's work that out first. So the total cost is the cost of the first thing. So that's $132 plus the cost of the vintage radio, which was $86, plus the cost of repairs, which was $26.50. So we need to calculate that over to the side here. So we're going to add 132 plus 86 plus $26.50 all together. So 0, 5, 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 6 is 14. Put our 1 up the top. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So put our 4 there and our 1 up there, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our total answer will be the total cost for the items was $244.50. So now we need to work out the profit on the items. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our selling price, which is that he sold the items for $349.95 minus how much it cost for him to have the items, which is the total cost, which we just calculated. So it's $244.50. We're going to do our working out over here. So we're going to go 349.95 minus our 244.50. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that means our answer for that is $105.45. So therefore, George made a profit on the two items of $105.45. Now, if you're in 7.0, the questions I would like you to complete are all the questions, or have a go at attempting all the questions in exercise 201. So that's questions 1 to question 10. And that is on page 47 to 48 of the